Yes, she's doing great.
But this week in general was pretty hard, right?
Yeah, it was. Filming for national television. For what? For this piece of beats the shit out of me. Everybody, welcome to my first official vlog on this channel. I am about to go to the gym and we have a lot to do today. I'm pretty tired. I woke up today at like 9 or something, and that's just because I had 2 days of filming for national television in Netherlands. So
heel veel fruit natuurlijk, veel kiwi. Ben ik zelf geen voorstander van, want het is een gek krokantje. Maar laat maar even een stukje proeven. Hier.
yes.
Ja. Oh, zo. Ja, dat is wel lekker.
2 days of pure fun. I'm not gonna lie, it was amazing, but I am exhausted. And today I think I'm gonna just stay at home after I come back from the gym because I cannot. I'm so tired and I wasn't getting enough of sleep every day, and it's just like, I mean, it was a little bit stressful. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth, get ready quick because I'm already a little bit late, and yeah, we're just gonna vlog the whole day today because we have a lot to do. So let's go. As you can see, my closet needs some organization, and it's been like this since we moved because I hadn't had the time and the space to organize it. So I'm waiting for a new closet to arrive because I have no space for things like bed sheets, pillows, spare like blankets and whatever. So we have a lot of stuff accumulating since we moved, and it's definitely not enough right now, so I really desperately need this closet. We also got a mirror that I'm going to show you a little bit later, and a couple of bits and bobs for organizing this part of the closet because it is a mess. Hi! Come on, 2 more. 4. 5. Let's go. Big step. Straight to the next one without a break. Straight to the next one. Woo.
How's it going?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yes, she's doing great. Okay, back.
It's better than this bicycle thing.
Yeah. We're not gonna do that.
Oh my god. You know what? Ava is so good. She just beats the shit out of me. I'm about to have some fish salad on the side, and after that I'm gonna get ready and get to organizing my closet because we have a lot to do today. My house is a little bit of a mess too, so I need to make sure it looks nice. I got for organization. So first I got this from IKEA as well, and this is a box, and I got multiple boxes to go on top shelf of this closet to store random things, seasonal things, stuff like that. So I got a couple of those. I also got these, which is like basically I got 2 sets of these, and they're supposed to go in your drawer. And yeah, I will show you how they look like in the drawer in a moment. But I also got these little containers, and they're supposed to be for like your sunglasses or accessories or belts or watches. So these are kind of perfect, and I've been using a couple of them for quite some time now, and I love them, and they're super useful. And you'll see I have them in these little compartments, and yeah, these are perfect. So I got 2 more, and obviously we're going to get rid of the clothing that I don't really love and use anymore, or the stuff that I don't wear. All right, let me just quickly put it in the ponytail so it's not in the way, because I cut bangs usually, and they're oh my god. So this is my side of the closet, and we're starting with her. So these are the boxes that I got for the closet, and I'm gonna put here everything that I do not use right now, everything that is out of season, or some things that I don't use on a daily basis. So let's put everything in this box. I need to do my laundry, so I get a little bit more stuff to put inside here, but pretty much this is done. As you can see, it has dividers, and it looks so good. It's looking so much better than before, and unfortunately I forgot to take the before picture, which is even worse because it was so bad. But anyway, over here we've got some accessories, and it's looking really good. I'm just a little bit annoyed, and I question this little part, like why? What did I do wrong? But yeah. And right now I'm left with all of this, so I need to go through everything and sort it, and some of the things I'm going to throw away, some of the things I'm going to donate, so I have a lot of stuff. Alright, so it is kind of a little bit later. I'm done, kind of. I'm halfway there, not even halfway, okay, who am I lying to? So I tackled my side, and it's looking nice, but I also have this, and I need to make sure that I clean everything before my husband gets home, because I don't want this to be like this. Basically, that's all I'm trying to say. And also, I am a little bit hungry. I think I'm just gonna eat something right now and take some rest. It is 5:18, and all I want to do is just take a break. for dinner, I'm having red lentil pasta with chicken and onions and tomato sauce. And it's perfect because it has a lot of protein. And I'm also having a little salad on the side too. I am about to finish what we started yesterday. I finished everything on my side pretty much. And now I need to tackle my husband's side and to make a little list of what we need to buy. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's continue what we started yesterday because I still have all of this mess. And also I do apologize for my look today. I wasn't feeling like getting ready and I was just feeling lazy and I decided to give myself a little break but to be productive at the same time. So yeah, now we're gonna start tackling this. By the way, these containers are so pricey. I don't know for what, because they look like trash, but at the same time, I don't know. Because the whole set of these was literally something around 80 euros or whatever. So it's freaking expensive. And for what? For this piece of whatever? I don't understand. It is 2 weeks later and we finally got our drawer, which means that we're gonna build it today and it's already in like evening time. So yeah, my husband is going to build it now, but also we have a lot of stuff coming a bit later. We have a carpet that is gonna go over here, like a big white one, and also we have some decor for like a little display. We're also renovating our office right now and we ordered our furniture and I'm so excited to just see the final result. I cannot enjoy this process because I don't know what's going on.
But this week in general was pretty hard, right?
Yeah. So the news are we